Glossary page 1 Physics class 10th. Question 1. What is the function of an AC generator? Answer. Convert mechanical energy to electrical energy in the form of AC current. Question 2. What are alpha rays composed of? Answer. Positively charged particles with 2 protons and 2 neutrons. Question 3. What is alternating current? AC. Answer. Current with electrons moving back and forth and inventors. Question 4. What is an ammeter used for? Answer. Measuring electrical current. Question 5. What does amplitude measure? Answer. Maximum displacement from the mean position. Question 6. What is analog electronic primarily used for? Answer. Dealing with continuously variable signals. Question 7. Who is artificial radioactivity produced? Answer. Through bombardment by high-speed particles. Question 8. What is the smallest building block of matter? Answer. Atom. Question 9. What does background radiation measure? Answer. Ionizing radiation in the environment. Question 10. What are beta rays made of? Answer. High-speed electrons or pistons. Question 11. What is the primary function of a browser? Answer. To access and view websites. Question 12. What does capacitance measure? Answer. Ability to store electric charge. Question 13. What is CPU commonly called? Answer. Brain of the computer. Question 14. What does compound microscopes do? Answer. Uses 2 sets of lens to provide a 2D image. Question 15. What does compression refer to in waves? Answer. Region where particles are close together. Question 16. What does a concave lens do? Answer. Drives light rays. Question 17. What is the shape of a concave mirror? Answer. Inner side is reflecting. Question 18. Which of the following device stores electrical energy? Answer. Capacitor. Question 19. Which particles are involved in alpha rays? Answer. Protons and neutrons. Question 20. What type of current follow in one direction only? Answer. Direct current 1. Question 21. What is measured by an ammeter? Answer. Current. Question 22. Which device is referred to as the brain of the computer? Answer. CPU. Question 23. What is an example of analog electronics? Answer. Radios. Question 24. Were beta rays emitted? Answer. From the nucleus during radioactivity decay. Question 25. Which radiation is a form of background radiation? Answer. Ionizing radiation. Question 26. What does the term compression apply to in wave mechanics? Answer. Longitudinal waves. Question 27. What happens when light passes through a concave lens? Answer. It diverges. Question 28. What is the main use of a compound microscope? Answer. To produce a 2D magnified image. Question 29. What is the function of analog electronics? Answer. Handle continuously variable signals. Question 30. What is the correct unit for capacitance? Answer: Farad.